Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Facebook ads to Google Analytics in 2024. So today we're delving into the world of digital advertising, exploring how to connect Facebook, of course, to Google Analytics. Of course, by linking these two powerful platforms, you can gain some comprehensive insights into your advertising campaigns, performance, some track conversions, and optimize your marketing strategies effectively. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process to seamless integrating Facebook ads with Google Analytics. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open like a browser that you'll need. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Make sure to go and open like your Facebook ads, as example. So open Facebook ads and make sure to open your Google Analytics. So just type analytics like analytics.google.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, as you can see, make sure to go here and log into your account if you have an account. For me, I don't have an. For me, I already logged in. For Facebook ads, it's gonna be the same. Click on this first link as an example, and here, as you can see, I'm already logged in. So I'll just go here and click on Start Now. Go to the Ads Manager, and I'll be logged in into my Facebook ads right away. So here, of course, some ad account updates. Okay. And of course, what you should do now once you're logged in into your Google ads, your Facebook ads and Google Analytics. So all you need to do, first of all, so of course here, if you go to Google Analytics as an example and go to get some data streams example, here you'll find if you have a web size example, you'll be able to get data from that. And as an example, if we go to the slide panel and click on admin here at the bottom left, as you can see, for the product link, what can we link it with? So as you can see, Google AdSense, Ad Manager, things in here, as you can see, but you cannot find any things that's relying to Facebook. So let me just go back here to the home screen. And of course, if you go here to Ads Manager or Facebook ads, so we will need, of course, to generate some Facebook pixel code. In your Google Ads Manager, you can, of course, navigate to the Events Manager and select some data sources. So what I'm going to use here, so I'm going to use a third party called Zapier. So all you need to do, go and open a new tab, type zapier.com, hit the enter button. And as you can see, if it's your first time, of course, normally, you'll find yourself on a site like this. All you need to do is simply go and click on login at the top right corner here. Once you click on it, of course, you'll be able to log in into your account. If you have an account by any chance, you'll be able to log in using Google, Facebook, Microsoft, SSO. Or if you don't have an account, you'll be able to click on sign up, and you'll be able to sign up just with Google. So if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So for me, I'm already logged in, as you can see here in Zapier. So the first thing that I'll do, simply go to the list panel and click on apps. I'll look if there's, first of all, Google ads or Facebook ads and Google Analytics. So here's an example. I'll just type Facebook ads as an example. So wait, it was ads here. So as you can see, yeah, here's it. For me, it's already connected, as you can see. For you, of course, make sure to connect your accounts by simply, I'll just show you how. Of course, you can click in connect right here. Once you do so, this will pop out into you. Make sure to click on continue. If you're already logged in into your Facebook account, add account, then click on continue to give like Zapier access to it, and it will be logged in. The same will be for Google Analytics. Make sure to do the same. So I'll just type here analytics. And as you can see, of course, I type it wrong probably. So yeah, Analytics like that. So here, as you can see, you find Google Analytics. So all you need to do is simply click on connect. And as you can see, you'll find yourself here. Choose the accounts that you have Google Analytics with. Click on allow to allow it. Do everything. And as you can see, it will be connected right now. So all you need to do now is go to this list panel and click on create. Then click on Zaps. We would like to create some automated stuff. So of course, you can start doing everything manually. If you are new to Zapier, I wouldn't suggest you to do that. I would suggest you just to use this AI tool. So simply you'll have to type connect Facebook ads to Google Analytics. So analytics right away and click on the enter button. Of course, I'll wait for the AI to do everything for me. I don't have to do anything. So I'll just wait for it. As you can see, okay, here's Zap outline as example. Okay, as you can see, they give me here Google Ads, but I don't want Google Ads. I want Facebook ads. I want Facebook ads with Google Analytics. So Analytics, not Google Ads. So I'll just type this again as an example, because it's AI, of course, can make mistake. Even humans made mistakes as an example. So as you can see, it seems there was misunderstanding. So as you can see, they are now trying to build a new one. So example, yeah, I want just something like that. So I'll just go and do that again. I'll retype it to it because it gives me nothing to add. Normally it should give me something like that. So as an example, I'll add this as an action, but I want another trigger as an example. So I'll just go and do that. I'll just type that again. I'll simply go here and type that and retype it again and see what they were given to give me as an example. I'll just type I still need the trigger as an example, so I'll just wait. So yeah, it gives me that, so I'll just go and click on that. So as you can see, yeah, it's created for me. Now all I need to do is simply go and click on it, and as you can see, I'll have to sign in into my account, or of course it's already signed in. Like now it's okay. I'll just click on sign in. It seems it did not sign in yet, so I'll just go and click on sign in. I'll click on continue, next, continue. Of course, it's a Google Ads account, so I'll just click on continue. Wait, error performing query. Why not? So it seems like there's an issue now, but okay, it's fine. You can of course try again. So of course, make sure to sign in into your Google Ad account, and the same will be for Google Analytics. Make sure to go to Google Analytics, and here make sure to go and connect into your account. Of course, you'll have to choose first of all. You can change, as example, the events. First of all, like here we have a create and lead ad. Of course, we can create ads 6 reports instead. But as you can see, for this one, it will require premium plan. So if you want to get this, you'll need the premium plan. But of course, you can change, as example, things. But Facebook ads for Facebook lead ads, that's why it's giving me this, because it's required premium plan. So if you want to get the premium plan, of course, you'll be able to get it. So I'll just go and click on this card to show you like the plans that they have as an example. So you'll be able to start using it without any problems. Of course, you can even try and click on upgrade right now, and you'll get a 14 days free trial to test everything out if it's working as intended. As you can see, you'll have to pay nothing. As you can see, they have a free professional in the team. Professional will be okay, and you'll get even 14 days free trial. If you pay yearly, you'll get even a discount. If you pay like monthly, you'll have to pay kinda a lot. And yeah, normally once you do so, you'll be able to create zero zap and create the connection, and you'll be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.